Google Analytics 4 sucks, and Google knows it. That's why they've created a report that you can use in a different tool with your GA4 data without having to go into GA4. Let's get into it. First, real quick, if you're new around here, I'm Pam, aka the Google Analytics chick, and I'm here to help you with all of your GA4 nightmares. Okay, so if you want to build a custom report in Google Analytics 4 or even recreate any basic report from Universal Analytics that was actually useful, unlike the default reports in GA4, this is what they want you to do. Go in here, somehow know which segments, dimensions, and metrics to add, even know what those things mean. It's just a nightmare. Just forget it. Just don't even bother. Go to lookerstudio.google.com and click on this GA4 report. Initially, this will load with sample data. So click here to select your own data just to preview the report, and you'll immediately be able to see your Google Analytics data in a much more digestible way, including some of the most common things you probably used to look at in Universal Analytics, information about your users, your traffic, conversions, top pages, etc. Now you're just kind of previewing this, so if you want to save it and or customize it, click on Use My Own Data, select your account and the property, Add to Report. Now click on Edit and Share, and you'll see this says Copy Of. Give their browser a refresh, and then you'll see an Edit button. Click that. You could change the name. Now you'll still be able to flip between properties in your account, but it will default to the one that you selected. Now you can play around with different date ranges. You can select, let's say, last 30 days, and if you want that to be the default every time you open it, you can change that over here. And then the next time you go to lookerstudio.google.com, you will see your customized report here, and you will open it and you will see the last 30 days. You can also add new charts and widgets of any kind you'd like. Let me know what charts you'd like to see how to make, and I will make videos to show you how. In the meantime, like and follow for more.